Before we start, I know exactly why you're here. You're probably recorded something, maybe a blog, a travel video, a project for school, or even your first YouTube video. And you're staring at the scene like, okay, how do I actually make this look good? And every tutorial you click is either too fast, too complicated, or just filled with 10 minutes of talking before they actually start. So, here's the promise. In the next few minutes, you're going to learn iMovie in the simplest, cleanest, and the fastest way possible. From importing footage into exporting a polished final video with trick that even most beginners don't know. No wasting time, no confusing explanation. If you follow along, you'll be able to hit your very first video confidently. So let's start with these. First things first. After opening the app, you will see a window like this. Here your projects will be, and if you are and as you can see, there are files. After that, simply click on a new, create new, and click on the movie. You don't want to create a trailer because that has way too much, templates and like that. So this is the interface, and this is called project media. Here these are all of the libraries, and as you can see, these are some iMovie library. These are basically some b-rolls added into the software. From here you can drag and drop any of the video you like, if you want to use them. Here you can see this is the audio section. All of your audio files will be shown here if you have added. Here are some sound effects. These are basically pre-made sound effects, and this is the title tab. Here you can see a lots of text templates, and these are some basic backgrounds, and these are some transitions, and these are pre-made. So from here you can import your own videos. Just simply click on here, and you'll have to click on the OK. After that, it will be showing you all of your files, whatever you want to add. Simply select one and import selected, as you can see. And another option on how you can add import videos. Simply open a folder and drag and drop the videos you want to add to iMovie, as simple as that. And this is the color simple grading section. Here you can adjust your exposure. If you want to make it way high, you can do that right here. You can work on your shadows, use from here, and the white balance will be customizable from here. So if you want to trim to split, you'll have to use the command plus B, or you can right click that and use it like this. But I suggest you to go for keyboard shortcuts. These are very helpful, to be honest. You can add freeze frame from it, so clip trimmer, speed editor, and as simple as that. And now if you want to delete it, simply click on the delete, and edit using sounds, not visuals. Listen for breathes, pauses, stutters, cut them out. And if you think it's okay, simply click on the uh, control B and delete it, as simple as that. So if you want to add, so the third section is transition and flow. Don't overuse transitions. Just use cross dissolve or no transition at all. Why? Clean edits feel more professional. To add transitions, simply go to the transitions tab and drag any of transitions that you like, and simply drag between the video, as you can see, as simple as that. And here's how you can remove the green screen. Simply drag the video to your as an overlay into the timeline, and click here and simply click on the green or blue screen, and it will automatically remove the green screen of the video. Simple as that. And you can add a little bit title animation if you like, if it goes with your video. I always suggest people to never over edit, because over edit always sucks the video, makes the video trash, to be honest. Keep it as subtle as possible. If it goes with your video, add it. If it doesn't, just skip it. Here's how you can change the color of the text. Simply select the text and you click here. As you can see, the color really has come. So after that, the last section is adding music. Simply, this is also very simple. Simply drag the music below your video and voila. Lower volume to 20 to 30% so the voice stays clear, and use the fade handles at the end to smooth the audio. If music is too loud, viewer leaves, to be honest. Now think about what just happened. A few minutes ago, editing probably felt intimidating, but right now you just build a complete video. You can cut clips, smooth transitions, added music, labeled audio, added text, corrected color. Does really, and that is a smell. And this is just the starting point. If you keep practicing a little every day, your videos are going to start looking cleaner, smoother, and more intentional. And that's the difference between just posting content and publishing something you're proud of. So if you want them, and if this help you at all, just hit like so this just hit like so this video reaches one more person who's struggling to edit right now. And I'll see you in the next one. Keep creating.